Yes, sir. Just a minute.
So last time, what we have discussed, what we have to do today? Rasul, we are doing this one, right? Wise app, no, this one. Hello, Rasul, can you hear me? We are doing
Yes, sir.
coordinate part. We are doing right.
Yes.
Okay.
Your
Last,
voice is breaking, sir.
voice is breaking. Chanchal.
I'll rejoin, sir.
Sir, for Drishy and Chanchal, it's the same problem from the year starting, sir.
Drishi, okay. I have not heard from Drishi, but Chanchal is having network problem most of the times. So Hemant, after a long time you joined. What happened to you?
I was having school exams, sir, offline.
It's offline.
Yes, sir. Offline exams we had to go write daily.
How was your exams then?
I wrote great, sir. It
Hmm.
was great enough.
Okay. Any questions you have doubt or something like that?
Sir, MCQs, I just have a doubt. Will they cut your marks if you don't show the working?
MCQ, no.
Yes, sir.
I depend on your school. I don't know whether your school what they will check, how they will check. I don't know.
Because I did it on a rough paper and I threw the paper into the dustbin after I've completed. I didn't attach it.
Depend on your school people. Means the school this thing. Your teachers how they have means given instructions to you. Depend on them how, because board exams I don't think there will be a thing like such as like that. Correct. Board level means no working. They not required. I think only should 1 mark question. No. So this go ahead. That's it, right? MCQ means what? Objective type should tick. Whether you solve or not. Who will going to say the solve part?
Yes, sir. Those kind of questions. We do it in our Sunday test.
But in class, what happened? No, teachers knows this child not reads. I want to see this one working from your end. Otherwise, I won't give marks. Like that they say, right? Hmm? Hmm. Chanchal, can you hear me now? Chanchal is not there. Hemant and Rasul. Rasul, we have done which chapter you want? Tell me, Rasul. Any trigonometry or something like that? You are having doubts or any kind of chapter which you are not prepared till now? Hmm?
No, sir.
Okay. Hmm. So what to do?
Sir, we have circles chapter.
Waiting room, 3 people are there. 1 minute. Waiting room, 3 people are there. Wow. Circles chapter.
Yes.
Okay. Circle chapter we have done, no or not? We have not done. Circle chapter is for first term, right?
Sir, pre-term exam on 25th, sir.
Okay. 1 minute.
Sir, can we have it at offline?
Hmm. 1 minute. One minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So triangles, 10th class. Triangles we have done everything, right? Next, what part is pending to us? Okay. term one questions will you do right now? Okay. Uh,
Sir, I have papers, sir. Shall I share with you?
which one you are having difficulty? Which one?
Not difficult, sir. I got sample paper from school, sir. I didn't start yet, it's almost. I got it today.
Actually, you can share, not a problem. Means you got soft copy.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, can send me on where you are going to send them.
What's up, sir? One sec.
Okay, fine. 1 minute. I'll share the screen with you. This is not the one note I put. Others on your camera. Mhm. CBC, right? CBSE. Triangles. We are doing coordinate, right? Drishi is joining now. Page number 121. Page number 110. See the question on this. I'm just going to do which one MCQs. What I should do here? Real numbers, doubt, MCQ. I'll make one section MCQ section. MCQ, and this is for coordinate. See this question number 116 to 11. Hey, where is went? 1 minute. Someone is having doubt. Acha, camera is having problem. Can you see this? Resident welfare, just see this direction for the question 112 to 116. 112 to 116. What they have given this try once. See, what is the distance of pole B? Eh? Where it's coming from? 112 is here only. Which pole they are saying here now? Distance only. How we can find the distance?
Sir, I sent you the paper, sir.
Acha, okay, I'll see that. Here, see what they've given. The park model coordinate system is given below. Before what they have given here. Acha, this here they have given, no. Hmm. 1 minute, children, 1 minute. See, this is a question. You have to answer from 112 to 116. Residents Welfare Association of Gulmohar Society in Delhi have installed 3 electric poles. Okay. 3 electric poles A, B, and C in a society common park. Despite these 3 poles, some parts of the park are still in dark. So RWA decides to have one more electric pole D. So the park is modeled in as a coordinate system as given below. See here, A, B, C, they have given like this. Okay. So on the basis of the above information, answer the following, answer any 4 of the following questions. What is the position of pole C? Tell me, Hemant. Rasul, others, nobody has on the others is not have. Okay. Drishi, Chanchal, Teja. Teja, on your camera first. Drishi. Others is having problem. Okay.
Sir, it is B 5,4.
B 5,4. Five is here. 5,4 is the answer. So we are having 5,4. So answer is B 5,4. Next. Where is everyone? 5,4. Next. 112. What is the distance of pole B from the corner O of the park? What is the distance of pole B? What is the distance of pole B? Who will tell me the answer for this? Distance of pole B. Distance of pole B. Write in the chat box after solving the question. What is the distance of pole B? So answer you have mentioned is 6 root 2 and 6,6. So B, how to measure B from here? B, if you see in center is here, right? So B will be this one, no? Where the B will be actually, children? 6 is here, 6,6. The distance is what? What is the distance over here? What is the distance? Which option is correct? See, 6 root 2, 6 root 3, 6 root 2, 3 root 2, 6 root 3, 3 root 3. Which is correct option?
There is the answer B, sir.
Answer B. 3 root 2. How? How 3 root 2? Drishi, which answer you told?
Sir, I told A.
6 root 2. The children, this is 6 root 2 only as it is. We know that 6,6 and O is nothing but 0, 0. Okay. So distance between these 2 points is 6, 0 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. That is root over 36 plus 36. So root over 72. That answer is 6 root 2. Okay. Is it clear? Teja, how 6 root 2 has come? Do you know that? because you should take LCM like this, 72, then here 6, then again 6. 6 will not come. 6 1s are 6, 2. The 6 2s are 12. The double pair is coming 6 out, and here 2 is coming. Okay, the 6 root 2 is the answer. Next question is question number 3rd. 12th is not mentioned only, right? So 112 is over now. 113. चला रही है क्या वो? कहाँ है फिर वो? See, 113 page, you see, find the position of the 4th pole D so that 4th point A, B, C, and D form a parallelogram. Find the position of 4th pole so that 4A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. Okay, where point D should come? Tell me, children. Where point D should come? So that A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. What is the position of point C, you told? Point C position is 5, 4. Okay, 5, 4, yes. So see this distance you see from here to here, what is the distance like this? You can see this one. Again, here also you should go like this only, okay? So it will come from here to, it come here, right? This point is only coming A, B, C, and D, correct? So this point is nothing but 1, what? 1, 5. This forms a parallelogram. 1 like this. This forms a parallelogram. Is it clear, children, or not? Is it clear? So option, so D will be 1, 5. So answer, if you see, you will get 1, 5 is the answer. This is 6, 2. 6 root 2. Next is, what is the distance? Tell me the answer for 114 question. What is the distance between pole A and C? Distance between pole A and C. Distance between pole A and C. So this is 2, 7, and this one is 5, 4. So what is the distance between these two? Teja, why you off your camera, Teja? Teja, tell me the distance formula. Teja, tell me the distance formula. Do you know that?
x2
x2 minus x1 whole square. Then?
plus
y2
minus y1 whole square.
So here you can just do that. So here we, in this case, x2 and x1, you can take anything, whichever you want, x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, the 2 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 7 minus 4 whole square. So what do you get? 3a square plus 3a square. So answer is 6 root 2 only, right? Is it clear? Distance between A to C is how much? 6 root?
Sir,
2.
it should be 3 root 2, right?
Yeah. 1 minute, 9, 9, 18. Yes. Root 18 is 3 root 2. Root 18 is 3 root 2. Correct. Anyone having doubt in this, all the 14 questions? Now next question. Question number. In here only is given. Distance between pole B and D. The same we can do for that. So now direction from 117. So next question you see. See the direction from 117 to 121. Okay, these are the things. Ajay, Bigu, Colin are fast friends since childhood. Ajay, Bigu, Colin, 3 friends are there. Okay. So they always want to sit in a row in the classroom, but teacher doesn't allow them to allow them and rotate the seats row wise every day. Bigu is very good in maths and he does distance calculation every day. He considers the center of class as origin and marks their position on a paper in a coordinate system. One day, Bigu make the following diagram of the sitting position. Bigu has made a diagram. See this, children. So Bigu, the one is A, one is B, one is C. A, B, C, you just let. Okay, Ajay, Bigu, and Colin. So first question number 1. Always they're asking coordinate. Coordinate of point A. So you can see this coordinate of point A. Coordinate of point A is what? Tell me, Chanchal.
So -2.
-2, comma.
So -2, -2.
-2, comma 2. Then next question 117. Next question, you tell me like control V. What is distance of point A from origin? What is the distance of point A from origin? What is the distance of point A from origin? B, Rasul.
Yes.
So here this is 2 to the 4, option B. You have done this, right? 2 root 2. So here, Hemant, what to do? See here. This point is -2, 2, and this is 0, 0. So you can find the distance between these two. Root over 2a square plus 2a square will get root 8. And root 8 is 2 root 2. Okay, Hemant. Next question. Next question is what is the distance between A and B? What is the distance between A and B? These all are easy questions. A and B. What is the distance between A and B? Anyone can find this? Distance between A and B. Others tell the answer for this. What is the answer, Rasul?
Sir,
Eight.
I'm getting root 17.
Root
Same,
17.
sir.
Answer is root 17 only. Hemant, you are getting how root 17 is there? Hemant,
Yes, sir.
you are getting how root 17 is coming. See here, -2 plus 1, -1 whole square. Then see plus 2 plus 2 whole square. So we'll get root 17. Okay, Hemant. So these all questions are easy. Now see, Now, what is the distance between B and C? B and C also is solved, Rishi? B and C? Oh, B and C have solved. Drishi,
Sir, I'm solving.
सौरभ जी इधर आइए, इसको लेके जाइए इधर. बैठ जाओ आराम से. Distance between B and C. Distance between B and C.
Sir, I'm getting 2 root 5.
Two root, for 2 root, what you are getting, Drishi?
Sir, I'm getting 2 root 5.
2 root 5. Okay. So distance between B and C. So B and C. So B coordinate is -1 comma -2, and C coordinate is 3 comma 0, right? So root over 3 plus 1, 4 square, and plus 2 square, right? This only 16 plus 2, 4. Root 20 you are getting, right?
Yes, sir.
2 root 5 is the answer for this, right? Hemant, you understood? ये वो ले लीजिए ना सौरभ जी, वो डाल दीजिए.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Okay, next question. We'll just go through the next question. Here we got which answer we got here? 2 root 5. A and B, which one we got? A, root 17. Root 17, and then here distance from origin is, we got 2 root 2 we got that time from origin, 2 root 2. So next question, we are moving to the next question. All are similar type of questions are there, right? Distance between the flags, distance between this, that. 1 minute. Again, next question I'll ask you. See. Children, do question number 58th. What is the answer for this? Is tell me which type of triangle is this? How to find? Which type of triangle is this? Teja, why you off the camera again and again? Teja, can you hear me?
Sir. Yeah, sir.
So you know, Teja.
Yeah, sir.
So A, B, C are the vertices of which triangle? Just find. First, we have to find AB, right? AB, BC, CA. All you find. Which option is correct? Which option is correct?
Sir, it's isosceles triangle.
What? Which one? Isosceles.
Yes.
Or
Okay.
I have a guess that isosceles triangle.
Okay. What is the distance of AB? Tell me, Chanchal. Distance of AB is what? Chanchal, distance of AB. Chanchal, are you there? Drishi, tell me AB distance AB, BC and CA.
So can you hear me?
Yeah. Tell me the distance of AB, BC and CA. Whoever wants to tell, just tell me the distance between these two. AB,
5
BC.
minus 6. Sir, shall I?
Yeah, tell.
5 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square whole root, sir, equals to minus 1 square plus root minus 6.
See, first you have done 6 minus 5 whole square, right? Then
Yes,
plus
sir.
4 plus 2 whole square, correct?
Yes, sir.
So here you'll get 1 square plus 6 square.
6
So
square
root
minus 6 square.
same thing will come, right? Minus 6 square or 6
Yes.
square. What? So this is root 37. What is BC?
Sir,
Okay.
7 minus 5 square plus minus 7, minus 2 minus 2 square whole
Don't
root
write
equals,
minus 2. See what you are getting? Second part? Minus 2 or minus 2 plus 2.
sir, yeah, sir, minus 2 and plus 2.
See, when you are changing the sign, if minus of minus is coming, write plus only. Don't write minus again. So this is 2a square plus 4 is, 0. This is coming root 4. And answer
Yes,
is what?
sir.
2, right?
Yes, sir.
This is it correct? BC?
Sir,
Huh. 2 is coming. Drishi.
Yes, sir.
So 1 square and plus 6 square. So here is coming root 37. One more thing, children, if you see, if you are getting right this here, right isosceles triangle, it may be here also, it may be here also, right? Right angle triangle, how do you search right angle triangle? This is not possible, right? So this is not possible at all because this both are root 37, root 30. There is no hypotenuse at all. Correct? So this is isosceles triangle. Sometimes see what happens. This forms right angle triangle also. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, sometimes. If two things are equal also, sometimes it becomes right angle triangle also. Sometimes what will come, you know, distance between them is 1, 1 and root 2 will come. So this is isosceles, this is right angled isosceles triangle. Okay. 1, 1, 2. If they are getting 3 sides, in this case, you have to write right angle isosceles triangle. Is it clear to all of you?
yes, sir.
So remember that, don't forget this type question may come. Here, luckily, you are getting only isosceles triangle, but sometimes what happens, they'll give right angled isosceles triangle also. So remember this, you have to check for that also, whether it's right angle triangle this there or not. Okay. Next question is, tell about PQRS. PQRS is what? Parallelogram, rhombus, square, or rectangle. Do you know all the properties of rhombus, square, parallelogram, and rectangle? All of you know the properties?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, find PQRS is a rhombus, square, parallelogram, or rectangle. Tell me the answer for this. Yeah, tell what is the answer for this. Just write in the chat box, children, if you are getting the answer. Hemant, on your camera. Rasool, Teja, Drishi. Who left the meeting? There are 7 children before, now become 6. Who left the meeting already? Chanchal. Chanchal is here, no? Who left the meeting? Chanchal, your camera is not working. Chanchal.
Working, sir.
Then why you are not on the camera nowadays?
Sorry, sir. It's turning off again and once again.
Sir, I think others.
Which answer, Rasool?
No, sir, I was saying others left. Sir, answer I'm getting it's rhombus. A option.
What is the property of rhombus? What is the property of rhombus? Property of rhombus. Tell me, Rasool. First of all sides should be equal, right? All sides is what? Equal. The next, second property. How you can say it's a rhombus, not square? How will say? Rasool. How it is a rhombus, not square? A square is also having all sides equal. What is the difference between rhombus and square?
Sir, in square, we can find through Pythagoras theorem, we can find the diagonal. I mean,
Okay.
like, there are 2
All the
points.
squares
so
that
diagonal
bisect each other and make 90 degrees.
Okay. So here diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Here diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So first you find PQ. What is the distance between P to Q? Tell me, Teja, did you find that? QR, RS and RP. Sorry, SP.
So,
Huh.
3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square whole root
Eh,
equals.
4 minus whole square will not come. 4 plus whole square will come. Remember.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
See, children will
One-
do mistake. Remember, 1 minute. Chanchal, see here. This is x1, this is x2. Sorry, x1, y1. See, you should not do mistake. I'm just telling you where you may do mistake. I'm telling you 1 minute. Arey yaar. See, this is x1, this is y1. Okay. This is x2, y2. So what happens here? x2 minus x1 if you do, then you'll get 3 minus 2. This is very easy. Plus, if you do here, no, you'll get mistake. 4 y2 minus y1. y1 is already minus 1 is there. They should write here plus 1. Okay. Chanchal,
Yes,
don't
sir.
do mistake for this one. Yeah. Yeah, Teja, you're
Yes,
telling
sir.
something?
Sir, that PQ is 26, root 26 units.
Okay. QR also root 26 only?
Yeah, sir. So
RS
here also, and also RS
RS
is
also
the same, sir.
So these all are root. Then next what you should do here? Next, what you should do? Next, what you should do?
SP and PR.
PR, sir.
PR. What you will get it for PR?
Yes.
So you
Minus
get 4 root
minus
2
2 whole
units.
square plus 3 plus 1 whole square.
PR is 4 root 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. 4 root 2.
2 plus 2, 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 and 16, 32. 32 is coming now. So 4 root 2, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
QS is 6 root 2.
QS is 6 root 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
After this, what to do?
Sir, all are equal, sir.
So these all are equal. This one, 4 sides are equal, and your PR and QS, these are not equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So your diagonals are not equal. If diagonals are not equal, then it's what? It's a rhombus. Understood? If diagonals will be equal, then it's a square. Okay. And should follow Pythagoras theorem property. So this is nothing but rhombus. So this is the correct answer for this. So next question is question number. Do the next question. अरे यार, क्या हो रहा है ये? See, if the vertices of triangle of ABC is this much, length of median, this is not there. Median you remove off. Median part is not there. See, select the midpoint of ABC with this one, midpoint of A, Bing. Select the midpoint of side BC of triangle ABC with A is given. And the midpoint of side of the sides through A, Bing this and this. You understand the question? Just try to understand children question first. देना एक बार.
Sir, we have to use BPT theorem.
BPT theorem.
Yeah, sir.
BPT should use here. Triangle ABC, they are saying here. The triangle ABC is nothing but it's coming like, you know. So here is A, B, and C. Okay. So select the midpoint of BC. You have to select the midpoint of BC of triangle ABC with A. A is given over here 1, comma -4. And the midpoint of the sides A, Bing. Means see this point they have given, right? This point is 2, comma -1. Is it like this or different way? And midpoint of the sides through A being this one. Is it clear like this only will come or something different?
Yeah, sir. This is one.
Like this only, no?
Yeah, sir.
Next you can find whatever what is asking you now you can find easily.
Yeah, sir. Sir, the answer is option D.
A answer only you reached this. You have solved already. Hey,
Yes, sir.
Teja, don't guess, man. You're not guessing. You have seen the answers. You're clicking, I think, on the answers and telling that, right?
No, sir.
Don't guess. If you are confident, then you should answer no. See, anyone can tell the answer like that by seeing that, right? Clicking that, you will get the answer. You should know the procedure. Yeah, children, anyone can find this. See, this is a long procedure, Teja, you should get here. See, what is that you should do here is, what you have done first, tell me. Answer D option you told me. How you have done option D?
Or it's just a guess, sir.
So first, to find this point, we need B and C, correct? So how to find B and C? This is a midpoint formula, you know, midpoint formula. X is equals to x1
Okay.
plus x2 divided by
X1 plus
2.
X2 divided by
Again,
2.
y is equals to y1 plus y2
Y1
divided
plus
by
Y2
2.
divided by 2.
So this you let it is the x1, y1. This is the x2, y2. And this is x comma y. So by the help of this, you can find x2 comma y2 and all, okay? Easily you can find x, they have
Okay.
given 2. So 2 is equals to x1 is 1 and x2 we don't know, divide by 2. So x2 is equals to 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. So x2 we got 3. Again for y, how to find? Y is equals to, means y is equal to -1 is equals to y1, that is -4. And y2 we don't know, divide by 2. So y2 is equals to -2 and +4. It become 2. So this become 2. 3 comma 2 you got. Similarly, you can find C and you have to make it half. Okay. Is it clear what I'm saying?
Sir, C I'm getting as -1 and 2.
C you are getting as -1 and 2. Okay. So midpoint is very easy. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Comma 2 and 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. The 1 comma 2 is the answer. Arey, Teja, you have guessed and it's correct. See? Awesome. if this will happen means out of out, right?
Sir,
Teja?
explain once again, sir.
Huh? What?
Sir, can you explain the last second part once again?
You are saying this one? This one? X2 and Y2?
So yes.
See, this is XY. So XY I'm writing over here. See, this is X, this is Y. Okay. So for midpoint formula is X1 plus X2 divided by 2, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So only you see this coordinate A, and this is B, and this is the midpoint. Okay, you see this 3 coordinate only right now. Don't see anything else. How we are finding this X2, Y2? Similarly, you should find this one also later on.
Okay.
So here X value, you know, X1 also, you know, X2 you doesn't know, and divide by 2. The X2 you can find easily or not? Can you
Yes,
find?
sir.
Similarly, you can find Y also. So where you getting difficulty? Tell me.
Sir, I wrote wrong, sir.
So see here you are getting 3 comma 2, and this is nothing but this coordinate B. Similarly, same procedure, this whole procedure you should apply for what? You should apply for this one also. All right. To get
Yes,
this,
sir, got
so what Drishi has done, that is -1 and 2. And again, this is the midpoint of this both. Then you have to find the midpoint. This is x1, this is x2, y1, y2. The x1 plus x2 by 2, you will get 1 comma 2. Nice question. Nice, Teja. Hopefully your all the guess will be correct. Okay.
Sir, he top in MCQ term test, sir.
What?
So he'll get top ranks in MCQ test pre-terms or termly both.
Yeah, correct. Now see question number 48. If the midpoint, just try once, children, try all of you.
Sir, I'm getting -1.
-1. All right. Everyone getting -1 only. Teja, what is your guess?
Yes, yes, sir, I have done that. So,
You've done. All right.
sir, first my guess was -1.
Guess or you have done, Teja?
Yeah, sir.
So we need only to find
So you got the answer as -1, right?
Yeah, sir.
So anyone having doubt in this so that I can solve? Hemant, what you're doing? You're full silent. You're not responding anything. Anyone having doubt in 48? A x comma x by 2 and y plus 1 by 2. B is x plus 1, y minus 3. C is 5 comma minus 2. So here value of y is -1, -2,
-1.
-3. The midpoint is very easy, no? If the midpoint of line joining A and B is this. So this is very easy, right? How you find, Teja? See, those who didn't understand, A is x by 2 and y plus 1 by 2. B is x plus 1 and y minus 3. C is 5 comma minus 2. So how to do this? This plus this means x by 2 plus x plus 1 divided by 2. Like this only should do, no, Drishi? Should be 5, right? Drishi, you have done in this
Sir,
way?
the next step is y plus 1 by 2.
Hey, first you do this x, you completely solve now first. The x by 2 plus x plus 1 is equals to 10, right?
5, sir. Yeah, sir.
So x and 3x by 2 is equals to 9. So 3x is equals to 18. X is equal to what? 6.
6, sir.
The value of y they are asking. So no need
Yeah,
to
sir.
solve x part. Only y part you solve. So
Yeah.
y plus 1 divided by
1 by
2
2 plus
then
y minus 3
plus
by
y
6.
minus 3 whole by y by 2 is equals to minus 2,
Minus 2.
correct?
Yes.
So y plus 1 divided
1
by
plus
2 plus y is equals to minus 4 plus 3 minus 1.
No,
Correct?
sir. Y plus 1 plus 2y minus 6 equal to minus 8.
1 minute, 1 minute. I have done mistake here. Here I am 1 minute. I'm removing this one. See, y plus 1
Plus
plus
2y
plus
minus
2y minus 6
equal to minus 8.
minus 8.
Yes, sir.
Wah. After this,
Y equal to minus 1.
y equal to minus 1. Wah.
Yes.
One line only answer came, right? Huh? Okay, y equal to minus 1. Okay, children, fine. You can solve now. Okay, next question is, anywhere in coordinate part you are having doubt, children? Anyone having doubt in coordinate? Tell me.
No, sir.
Teja, don't guess in the next class, okay? Just if you solve, then only you say. Make the
Okay, sir.
practice. If you're not getting, ask. See,
Okay.
anybody can see the answer and tell. I know you're solving and seeing the answer also.
No, sir.
Acha. Not then. Okay, fine then. See, perimeter of triangle. Who can tell me the perimeter of triangle? This is the last question of the day. Okay. See, perimeter of the triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0. What is the perimeter of this triangle? It's very, very easy. Tell. Drishi will tell in seconds. I know. Right, Drishi? Huh? Oh, Rasul has left the meeting.
Or it's 12.
Yeah. This distance is 4. This is 4. This is 3. The distance is what? 5. This is 3. This is 4. Okay. The 5, 4, 9, 9, 3, 12.
Sir, A plus B plus. Okay.
Huh? What? Teja?
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir.
Your guess was also this only, 12 only, or something else?
No, sir. I'm not perimeter of triangle.
You can find the distance also, Teja, if you want. 0, 4 and 3, 0. The same answer will come. Root over 3 square plus 4 square, the root over 25. The answer is 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, you can find this coordinate is 0, 4 and down is 0, 0. So you can do that also. So next class, what do you do? Do all coordinates. Questions from this textbook. Okay, what I've sent to you. And ask doubt. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can leave for the day, children. Thank you all.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Happened? Hemant. Chanchal.